Yes. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. I'm going to be making some brown stew oyster mushrooms. Guys, before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. And hit the bell so you will get your notifications. Here we have our oyster mushrooms, chickpeas. I have Tamaei and Worcestershire sauce, and that's vegan. Ginger paste, vegetable bouillon, dry thyme because I don't have fresh, but if you have fresh you can use that as well. I have my spices. I have my onion powder, coriander, cumin, and I also have some turmeric. Okay, I also have some sweet peppers and some onions as well. To my pan I will add some olive oil. To that I'll add my oyster mushrooms, add in my spices, mix everything together, and this is a delicious brown stew. You can actually use the oyster mushrooms to make vegan curry chicken, not chicken recipe. I've used it before. If you guys want me to show you that recipe, just go ahead and leave a comment and say yes, and I will go ahead and do that for you. These oyster mushrooms are absolutely delicious. Okay, my healthy people, so let's go ahead and add everything else to this. I'm adding my chickpeas, my peppers, my sauce, my ginger paste, just a dash, not much. About a teaspoon of my Better Than Bouillon sauce. Just mix everything together here. My dry thyme, once again, if you have fresh, go ahead, but I'm all out, so I'm just gonna add that. I also have some maple syrup, and this is 1/8 cups of maple syrup. I have some arrowroot powder and some water, and I just mixed it together. This is just a thickening agent. Just gonna add it there. That looks really good. We're gonna let this simmer for 20 minutes on low heat. If you wanted to add some sriracha, you can. It's pretty much up to you, okay? All right, so cover this up, and I'll be back in 20 minutes. Okay, my healthy friends. Wow, nice and thick. This was about 25 minutes. It is done. Let's just go ahead and plate this out. Okay, my healthy friends, so I have some rice, and I'm just gonna put my brown stew mushrooms. Yes. Woo! Oh my God, look at that. So delicious. I wish you guys could taste this, and let's taste a little bit here with a little bit of the rice. Woo! Woo, woo, woo. Absolutely delicious. Your entire family will love it. This is my dinner for the entire family. This is what we will have. This is what we will enjoy. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today, guys. If you love this video, do what? Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. If you have an idea for a video you would like for me to make, please leave it in the comment section. And say it with me. Stay healthy.